What if I told you you can easily develop your music production skills for free? Hello, this is Efna. In this video, I will share with you 4 tips to develop your music production skills. Please feel free to share your thoughts after watching this video. I would be appreciate if you like my video and maybe subscribe. Let's go to my first recommendation. My first recommendation is ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to get information, and you can use ChatGPT to exchange ideas for your music, and you use it to improve your song. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, how can I make chord progression? How can I develop my melody skills, or my songs boring, how can I change them? For example, I asked ChatGPT how to make chord progression, and it's give me some information, some tips, and some examples. As you see here, I asked ChatGPT, I want to make melodic techno that will give the sweet sadness feeling. Can you give me some tips to do it? And it start to give me some tips to how can I make the sweet sadness techno, and it's really useful. My second recommendation is Ableton. Ableton Learn Music Production and Ableton Synth. In Ableton website there is a two section. One of section Learn Music Production, other one is Ableton Synth, and you can learn some music production and synth with practical ways. Now I will show you. If you come to Ableton website, you come to here and learn the foundation of music. And if you go to here, if it starts like this, and as you see, it's drum, bass, chord, and melodies. There is a 16 pattern, and give you some example here. For example, and you can continue like this, and you can check from here. As you see, it's give you beats, note and scale, chord, bass line, melodies, and go on. And for example, go for chord and go to for major, try 3ds, and it's give you example how to make it. For example, if I, and this is my first chord, and give you same things with minor, and it's give you same things with other elements. Now other one was learn synth. By the way, I will share the link in my description. When you come here, it's start like this, and if you drag this one, and if you open here, you can see other element. And it's have other things like synth basic, envelope, LFO. For example, if I go to envelope and go to attack section, and it show me to how affect attack to my sound. For example, this two section in Ableton, they will be really useful. If you use them, you will learn with practice. My third recommendation is SoundGym. SoundGym is a website for ear training, but it also has a section it share training videos. It has both paid and free version. With free version, it's give you 3 game to train your ear, and it's give you to access to training videos. Now I will show you sound gym. This is sound gym, and if you click the gym, you can go from here to this 3 game for train your ear. From the learn section, you can go to here and they share some videos under this topics. For example, if I go to electronic music production, and I will see its duration to this education here, and as you see the videos, and you can learn from these videos. If you go to this section, you can see there's some games it shares. Sometimes they're, but sometimes they're not there. For example, if I click this one, it say it will stay here 6 days, but sometimes it can't. They give you back. Sometimes you don't give you back. You can check from here, and I will show you now these 3 games they use for ear trainings. Now, first game it's for pen. It will ask you sound it which side of your ear. Second game is about the frequency range. If you see here, now other game is about dynamics. That was Sound Gym. My last recommendation is free stuff from YouTuber. As you know, there is a lot of YouTuber, they make the education videos, and they usually have course and other content they provide for a fee. And in generally, they may have some small things they give you for free, addition the paid part. It would be useful to use this free stuff to they give you. For example, I will show you some example. I generally watch this channel. I watch videos from this channel, and I know this channel give some one free framework to finish for first song. And if I go to his channel, I can see here, as you see, free guide, and here the free framework, and also I can see on his description section, as you see here, get your free guide for free for here, and you can go from this link and you can take this free framework. By the way, I have also some free worksheet, and I share in my Patreon account. You don't need to be my member to download this worksheet, and these worksheets, they look like this. And see here, by the way, if you go to use the sound gym, before you use sound gym, I recommend you to use this worksheet, because if you know which sound frequency make which sound, it will be easy to learn sound frequencies, and I learned this from a YouTuber, and I shared that video I learned. You can check this video also, it will be helpful for you. And this was my recommendation and my tips. I hope that they are useful for you, and I would be appreciate if you share your thought with me. Let's see you another videos. Bye bye.